Patient Opinion is a feedback service that gives the NHS a chance to listen to patient stories. Anyone can post their thoughts, concerns or comments about the healthcare they've received. The Continence Department in Rotherham provides healthcare for patients with bladder or bowel issues and is just one service that is benefiting from using Patient Opinion.
The lead commissioner for Continence had instigated some quite big changes into the service. We knew that the changes meant that the service was now proving much more value for money, and we felt that it was providing a better service for people. But obviously we needed to work that out and find that out from the point of view of people themselves.
Because this was a whole new service redesign, we wanted to get from the start some patient feedback. Decided to use Patient Opinion. It proved invaluable in lots of positive ways, a few negative ways, and which we could act upon.
And I know that there are changes that have been made in the service as a direct result of postings.
David Taylor.
Patients of the Continence Department are seeing the advantages of using Patient Opinion.
I've been on NHS website and it could be a good resource for patients and for the NHS if it's used correctly.
Is the packet easy to open, or is that...
It's a lot more robust as well.
Right,
It's
brilliant.
thicker packaging around it.
And when you open your packet, you're not touching the tip of your catheter, but just making sure that your hand washing is tip-top.
It gives you somewhere to share your story. It means that you can share your story without having to put an official complaint in. It means that you can praise staff that you think have been absolutely wonderful and have made a difference to your life. If you've had a service or a treatment that has worked well for you, then share the story, because there might be other people who have got worries about going into hospital.
And also we have lots of patients that are new to the service, and we can a lot of the time refer them to the website so they can see how other people are getting on, and I think it puts their mind at ease that there's patients that they can see that it works well for them as well.
And the other thing we've been talking about...
I have a lot of appointments at hospital, and if I'm going into a new area from known ones I go to, then it will be something I'd look into, because other patients have had experience of that, and it'll be helpful to me to ask the right questions when I get to see the surgeon. And that'd be brilliant, that, to have that information before you get there.
So I send out the Patient Opinion packs every couple of months so that we get as much feedback as we can.
Sometimes it might be as simple as saying, actually you've made a really good point, we'll raise that at a team meeting.
We've got some patients who come on and they feel like they can actually reach out to someone and their opinions heard, and it empowers them really to think that they're making a difference in the NHS and that their voices are being heard.